Grow blackcurrants, like a pro, your ultimate home gardening guide. Ever dreamt of picking juicy, tart blackcurrants straight from your own garden? It's easier than you think. In this video, we'll walk you through every step, from choosing the right variety to harvesting a bumper crop. Let's get started and unlock the secrets to blackcurrant success. Selecting the perfect blackcurrant variety is crucial for a thriving garden. Consider your local climate and available space. Some varieties are more disease-resistant than others, which is especially important for beginner gardeners. Ben Sarek is a popular compact variety, ideal for smaller gardens. Ben Lomond is known for its high yields and disease resistance. Do some research to find the best fit for your needs. Timing is key when planting blackcurrants. The best time is usually in late autumn or early spring. This allows the plant to establish its roots before the growing season. Choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Blackcurrants thrive in slightly acidic soil, so test your soil pH if possible. Dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball and just as deep. Gently remove the plant from its container and loosen the roots. Place the plant in the hole and backfill with soil, firming it gently. Water thoroughly after planting. Blackcurrants need consistent care to flourish. Regular watering, fertilizing, and pruning are essential. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Water deeply during dry periods, especially when the fruit is developing. A balanced fertilizer applied in early spring will provide the necessary nutrients. Mulching around the base of the plant helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Pruning is vital for maintaining a healthy and productive blackcurrant bush. It encourages new growth and improves air circulation. Aim to prune in late winter or early spring. Remove any dead, damaged, or crossing branches. Blackcurrants fruit best on one-year-old wood, so focus on removing older stems. Prune to create an open, vase-like shape. Blackcurrants can be susceptible to certain pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for common problems like aphids, big bud mites, and powdery mildew. Early detection is key to preventing serious damage. Inspect your plants regularly for any signs of infestation or disease. Use organic pest control methods whenever possible. Encourage beneficial insects like ladybugs to help control aphids. Harvest time is the most rewarding part of growing blackcurrants. The berries are usually ready to pick in midsummer. Look for plump, dark berries that are easy to detach from the stem. Harvest the berries in clusters using scissors or your fingers. Handle them gently to avoid bruising. Blackcurrants are delicious fresh, but they can also be used in jams, jellies, and pies. Now that you've harvested your blackcurrants, it's time to enjoy them. These versatile berries can be used in a variety of culinary creations. Get creative and experiment with different recipes. Make homemade blackcurrant jam or jelly. Bake a delicious blackcurrant pie or crumble. Add them to smoothies or yogurt for a healthy boost. The possibilities are endless. Even with the best care, you might encounter some challenges when growing blackcurrants. Don't get discouraged. Here are some common problems and how to fix them. If your plant isn't producing fruit, it could be due to poor pollination or lack of nutrients. Ensure your plant is getting enough sunlight and fertilizer. If you notice yellowing leaves, it could be a sign of nutrient deficiency or disease. Companion planting can help your blackcurrants thrive. Certain plants can deter pests, attract pollinators, and improve soil health. Consider planting these alongside your blackcurrants. Marigolds are known to repel nematodes and other pests. Garlic can help deter aphids and other insects. Chamomile attracts beneficial insects and improves soil health. Want to expand your blackcurrant patch? Propagating blackcurrants is a simple and cost-effective way to create new plants. You can propagate them from cuttings. Take hardwood cuttings in late autumn or early winter. Choose healthy one-year-old stems. Plant the cuttings in a well-drained potting mix and keep them moist. Growing blackcurrants at home is a rewarding experience that brings fresh, delicious fruit right to your doorstep. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest year after year. Now you have the knowledge to grow blackcurrants like a pro. Ready to start your blackcurrant adventure? Head to your local garden center to pick up a blackcurrant bush today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks, and leave a comment below sharing your own blackcurrant growing experiences. Happy gardening!